$10. 10 minutes. You're good to go on Peggy Tjin's 10 Cooking Show. Peggy Tjin's 10 Cooking Show.
Hi darling, in today 10-10, I'm going to prepare 2 slices of wonderful tuna steaks. Now you and I both know that tuna is a fish that you can eat raw. So I'm going to saute it in a pan, not completely well done, and serve it on some multicorn bread, which are full of fiber. I'm going to add some sugar snaps in my pan, and sugar snaps are full of antioxidants, but they also have vitamin B complex in them. So if you need it, you can always add some sugar snaps in your dish. Now, remember, I'm not a dietitian, I'm not a doctor. So if you need a doctor, go see a doctor. We're here to give you some tips and tricks on how to take away discomforts. I'm also going to add ginger. Ginger, for example, takes away your nausea, and it's a great antioxidant as well. I'm going to saute it all up in a pan with some teriyaki, and I'm going to marinate the tuna steak in the pan with some steak seasoning. Now, you can take any kind of steak seasoning you have in your house. However, be careful, there's a lot of sodium in it. My budget today. I paid $3 for each tuna steak, 80 cents for the multicorn bread, $1 for the sugar snaps, and you and I can do the math and realize that I'm far within my budget. So let me show you some of the ingredients I'm going to cook with today. Multicorn bread, sugar snaps, steak seasoning. I'm going to chop up some scallion in the end on my dish, ginger, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Now, as you would have noticed, I cook a lot with coconut oil just because it's so much yummier in my dishes. Garlic, a great anti-inflammatory, and I'm gonna add some wasabi. Now, if you notice that your sauce dries up a little, add some water. And of course, my teriyaki. Now let's start cooking. I'm gonna turn the burner on a medium flame. Add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Add the sugar snaps immediately in the pan. Now I always love these one-pan dishes because you cook the tuna on one side and the sugar snaps on the other side. Marinate the tuna steak with a little bit of seasoning, whatever you have in your kitchen. Use your spatula to turn them to season the other side. Add some garlic, which is a great anti-inflammatory. Ginger, always good with tuna. Teriyaki, I'm gonna add 4 tablespoons. And a teaspoon of wasabi. Stir it all up. Add a little bit of water. And leave it to cook for 6 minutes. 3 minutes on both sides of the tuna. And I think you're good to go. Another tip. Remember those kitchen towels that you have lying around and you wipe something off? Sometimes they smell. That means it's time to replace them. They're full of germs. Make sure you do that on time. Now, if you have a whole kitchen towel, cut it in 2. It saves a little bit more. It's all within a budget. Now, if you see that your sugar snaps are ready, take them out of the pan and start with your presentation. Now let me show you how beautiful the tuna is inside. And slice it up into medallions, small medallions. Now I say bon appetito from Peggy with love. And if you need today's recipe, go to peggytjin.com or to your local channel's website. See you next 10:10.
$10, 10 minutes, you're good to go on Peggy Tjin's 10 Cooking Show.